Hi everybody, Tuesday, it's day 14 of Montes 2020 series. That's April 14th and we're on page 23 and 24. One of the most difficult things that I'm trying to do is remember what day of the week it is during this closure time. I totally forgot Shout Out Monday. So I apologize to all of you looking to hear your name on our shout outs. So Tuesday, shout outs. Sorry about that, but let's do our shout outs. First of all, remember on shout out day, we have to have our bells to celebrate ourselves. Got our xylophone today. And on shout out day, we got to have our siren. And here's our shout outs for last week. Everybody during spring break that reached out. Now, reaching out means email, text, or phone. All those that logged into Clever. And our Mathia people. So here we go. Alfred, Alyssa, Aiden, Angel, Ari, Cam, Cody, Cole, Dylan, Emily, Elise, Mackenzie, Madison, Mirtha, Noah, Morgan, Tanya, Trey, Sydney, and I forgot alphabetically to put Grace in there, so don't forget Grace. Everyone that logged in through Clever to get to Blackboard. Clara, you guys remember Clara from period 5? Ari, Anna, Dylan, Joshua, Autumn, Abby, Christy, Grace, Hillary, and Sierra. And then a special shout out to all our Mathia folks, Ariam, Morgan, and Quinn. Thank you. One more time with the xylophone. Shout out Monday happened on a Tuesday. Sorry about that. We'll see you in a minute when we work on our math for day 14 on page 23 and 24. See you in a minute. All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Day 14, April 14th, page 23 and 24. We're actually doing some math, okay? I call it messy with math. On page 23, we're looking for a triangular prism. Triangular prism. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do this, all right? You've got your formula sheets. You've taken some notes on day 12 and day 11. We watched some videos. Different formulas, okay? Now, one of the ways to do a triangular prism is to literally see this as a box. Length times width times height. But remember, when we calculate a triangle, we just cut it in half, right? Remember where we would fold the patty paper in half to get the area of a triangle? And then we have the height. So length times width times height and divided by 2. So in this case, we have those hash marks. Remember what hash marks mean? Congruent, right, in measure. So we have 6 times the height, 11, divided by 2. Okay? Grab our calculator, 6 times 6, 36. 36 times 11 is 396. Divided by 2, we get 198. Now we're not done until we get our units. Units in this case, what was our units? Feet, feet. So we have feet times feet times feet. $198 cubic feet, all right? Turn the page. Pick an arbitrary problem on page 24. I chose the square pyramid, okay? If you remember a square pyramid, Okay, so a square pyramid, if you watch Salman Khan's video, a square pyramid is 1/3 S squared, 1/3 S squared. Well, it turned out what he was mentioning is the base. Okay, and the base of this one is 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So our volume is 1/3. The base, which is 3 squared, and then the height. Now, height, many times they're actually going to tell you the height, and in this case was 3 centimeters. But in case they don't, we could use Pythagoras. Okay, half of the base is 1.5, so 1.5, and then if we knew the slant height, many times they're going to give you the slant height instead of the direct perpendicular height, but in this one they made it easy. Okay, times 3, well, that's just 3 times 3 times 3 divided by 3. So we're ending up with 9. Remember, we're not done until we have our units. And this was centimeters. So centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is cubic centimeters. Hopefully yesterday you Googled conversions from feet cubed, inches cubed, centimeters cubed into those volumes of fluid ounces, dry quarts, dry ounces. Hopefully you did that yesterday. Okay? So remember, these are just 20 lessons for 20 days, 20 minutes a day. Hopefully you were able to get through that in 20 minutes. If not, that's okay. And for those of you that are pushing yourself, remember, each day we're going to try to find some shape out of the recycle bin to try to do the actual volume, okay? And today, if you choose to come back, there's going to be a separate video posted for the volume of these sliced peaches. And this one today is 24 fluid ounces, 680 grams. All right? So feel free to come back. You have a shape that you're trying to discover the volume of out of your recycle bin. Good luck, and if you have any questions, remember to send me a picture of it so we can work on it together. I'll see you in the next video today where I actually go through and try to find the volume of this peach jar. Have a great Tuesday, everybody.